Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm going right back at you with another sneaker unboxing. If you've read the title, you know exactly what this is. Before we get to the unboxing, which SJ over there is going to speed up, I'm just going to say, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It really does work. And with that going, SJ, can you speed up? Yeah? Oh my. It's a Nike SB box. It's a teal box. So, first things first, that's cool. Got another little cap, black. I'm gonna put that there. Thank you, Attitude. Right, let's get into this. Okay, everyone. There we go. Right, so first of all, boom. Oh yes.
You haven't done the number.
I've just been corrected, everyone. I've just been corrected. I looked wrong. Oh, it's been a long day. You know this working from home stuff, it just takes it out of you. Right, okay, so we're gonna come right back at you. We have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Safari, which is the Attitude sticker, but they're classified as a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO. They're neutral grey, kumquat. They are a UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5, a European 45.5. The code, if you're interested, is CD25630002. They're described also as neutral grey, kumquat, desert ochre, and they're from randomly autumn winter 19. I don't think that's right. And they're $79.99. Retail that. Right, can we do that bit again, SJ? Spin, 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 open the box, boom. So we have got an Attitude air freshener, which given that we're in the basement here and I'm usually down here on my own, we're gonna need. So thank you, Attitude. Okay. You ready, SJ? I'm gonna show you this box, I am. Look at that. Boom. Super nice. Super, super nice. Okay, so I think that these were based on a 2004, did I say? 2003, 2004, 2003, AM1. It was a Safari, but it was done by Atmos, so they're inspired by that. But let's have a look inside. More Attitude stickers for the old laptop. So we're going to put those on later. Get those down there. Let's get the other shoe out. Get rid of the box, everyone. So firstly, SJ's been doing lovely close-up shots. Now, I am just going to bring this, which way? That way. Zoom. There we go, look at that. So first of all, so this is a weird one. I've not done this shot before, so apologies if it's slightly out of focus. But like, just take a look. I'm going to move back there. The framing's a bit weird, I know. But like, have a look. It is so nice. And I love this gum sole. These are so good. These are so much better in hand. Right, SJ, got a lot to show you. Got a lot to talk about. We've got loads to talk about with these. Oh my word. I want to take the paper out as well, just in case. So first things, you know I always check. I always check the inner sole. Nothing special, but we're going to just take that to you. Hopefully you can focus. Yes, you can. So you can see that there's nothing special there. Coming back to me. Right, SJ, first of all, take a little look up close and personal. So we've got this elephant print here. Classic elephant print from the Safari. We've got what feels like a nubuckish suede there, if you can see that. We've got a darker suede here, not as soft as that. We're going to come to the heel. So interestingly, now that's a big thing for SJ. SJ is already all over that. She's probably going to want me to hunt these down now on the secondary market, even though we discussed that on the podcast last night with the Annex, how SJ never goes on the secondary market. This swoosh on the back, which you're just seeing, may change her mind. It may change her mind. And then we come onto the side. Now, the interesting thing I think for these, so you've got this again lovely, and I don't know, FJ, I'm going to move this. Is the nap showing up there? It feels really nice. But you've got like a green swoosh that side, and you've got that, I'm going to call it kumquat, which you probably can't say on YouTube. Oh my word, I'm such a child. I'm such a child on that side. And so we go back here, and right, you can't see SJ over here on the camera, just over there. But she's just cracked up, and like I think there's tears rolling down her face. She's literally like, she can't, like, she's got tears rolling down her face. Right, okay, serious. We are going to be serious with these because they are so nice. So the other thing, on the original Safari, I believe, on the one that this is inspired by, it had canvas on the toe box. Now, if we go in here, I don't think it's proper canvas, but it definitely feels a bit like it. And if you think about it, really, SJ's telling me it's canvas.
Looks like it.
It looks like it, but like if I feel it, I don't know, maybe it is. Maybe it is. But anyway.
It looks like it's treated canvas.
It's treated canvas. The expert materials guide that we have behind Sneaker Cam here, the materials connoisseur that is SJ, she is completely convinced this is your treated canvas. It is indeed. Come back in. We'll come back in, SJ. Now look at that. It's lovely. It's so nice. And did I call out the little mini swoosh here? You know I really love that on my paras. I just love this little mini swoosh down here. It's so good. So good. And a beautiful fat tongue. A beautiful fat tongue there. And we've still got as well like loads of great padding on the collar. And in fact that canvas material that I was talking about, it's actually here as well on the back there. The leather, what are you going to call that? Are we going to call that a heel tab? I think it's a heel tab. I'm going to call it a heel tab. I'm sure I'll get corrected. That's also a lovely smooth suede type material. Come through to the tongue. Standard laces are black, as far as I can tell. They look black to me. Like, have a look for you. Right, does that look? I think it looks like a black lace. So we're coming back to me. It looks like a black lace to me. I love the fat tongue. I love the green here, and then this. What colour is it, SJ? Is it kumquat?
Yes.
Oh, she's keeping a straight face this time. She is keeping a straight face. So, it's a super nice shoe. Now, you all know I love a gum sole. Now, we're going to bring this up to you. Right, have a look. It is a thing to behold. I tell you what, it might be easier, because I can see this camera much better now. Just have a look. It's amazing. It is amazing. Zoom. Sometimes technology is amazing and other times it just does my head in. So the other thing that we've not talked about the alternate laces. What do we think, SJ? I want your honest opinion. Shout it loud.
I think they probably should have put the green laces in.
There's no green laces.
I know, I don't think they did official. What I mean is, I don't think they did official green laces, but I've seen them with green laces on Instagram and they look epic.
They are so good. I don't think I'm doing the lace swap because I like this down their elephant print here. I don't think I'm going to swap the laces. I don't, SJ. I think I'm going to keep them on. I like this down here. Although looking at the brown there, maybe the contrast will be all right. I have seen, and SJ's pointed out, we've seen people swapping out for green laces. That would have been, I think, a much nicer contrast and would obviously go really well with the tongue tab. But I'm not sure if the original Atmos Air Max 1s had green laces or stuck with these colours. I think, you know, you can deviate from tradition every now and again, I think, don't you? Let me know in the comments. So let's know who actually got these. If you got them, let us know in the comments somewhere down there. Don't forget to subscribe, it's somewhere there. If you've not joined us on Sneaker Streaming Sundays, it's every night. No, it's not. It's not every... I wish it was every night. You never know. It might actually happen to be every night at some point if we get locked down in the basement by the government. But no, it's every Sunday. It's Sneaker Streaming Sundays. It's at about 12 p.m. On the West Coast. That's about 3 p.m. on the East Coast. And it's about 8 p.m. in the UK. That's every Sunday. We stream about what we've worn that week, what we've seen in the news, what we've seen that you've been wearing on Instagram, and generally a bunch of people get together and chat sneakers. We've also got a new podcast called Sneakers and Stories, which you can find on all your favourite podcast platforms. It's also on YouTube here. But don't forget, you can sign up yourself to tell us your story, and I'll put a link down here somewhere to the actual form that you can fill in, and we'll get in touch on Instagram, and we'll get you on, because it's a bunch of fun. And so yeah, it's let me know what you think. I am super impressed with these bad boys. They are so good, so good. And oh, the camera's doing its job. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this. Yes. You can see the mini swoosh. So look at that. It is amazing. It's amazing. Right. So I think that's it from me for this video. We will see you. And we've got a dog who's desperate to get some fuss down here, somewhere down there. He's definitely down there. So we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and all that malarkey. And yeah, we'll see you later. Bye. Have another look. Oh, it's so good. So good. SJ, opinions?
They're really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy. The shoes match the dog. Dog, what's this? Yeah? Hey? What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? Is this all right? Yeah? Is that a woof? One woof? One lick? No. I think the dog's slightly disappointed because they look a little bit too much like him. Anyway, we're definitely out of here now. See ya.